Hi guys, welcome to or back to my channel. It's Tess. What's up? What's happening? I hope you're having an amazing day, and if you aren't, then I hope you are now. So I haven't made a video like this in such a long time, and I feel like I've changed so many things about my skin and about like what I do step by step from like my previous videos when I was like 15, that this is going to be like completely changed. So first, I always secure the hair back like this with a hairband. I just pre-curled my hair. It's my birthday today. We are getting ready for my birthday, even though there's nothing to do because we are in quarantine, but at least I will feel pretty. So that's disgusting. Okay, so the first thing I start off with is always moisturizing my lips. I put on the camera, I washed my face, I did my serums, I did my eye cream, I did pretty much everything. So all I'm really missing right now is I'm going to use my moisturizing primer that I have here. This is Le Creme Embryollis. I have no idea. I literally got this in a package and I was like, SPF before my moisturizer, just to clarify. So I use an SPF of 8. I should be using higher, but you know, it's fine. I'm not going outside really. Let it dry for a little bit and then you are set. Then go in with this it's not shaken up, this moisturizer. I just use a little bit of moisturizer because my skin's like, it's weird. Okay, I'm gonna put some on this side. I hope I'm not the only one that makes these really stupid faces while I'm applying this stuff because I feel dumb. Going in with, I usually go in with this foundation because I don't know if I have a tan right now, but we're gonna use this one. This is the Hourglass foundation. I ordered it online, so it's obviously way too dark for me, but like, we're gonna go with that. We're gonna look like that today. This one, I wouldn't consider it full coverage. It eventually wears off during the day, but I don't know, I like it. I don't really like to wear that much makeup, so when I do, this is like a perfect foundation because you don't need to put too much on, but like I obviously am gonna go for like a more dramatic look today. I'm gonna be going like, this is what I do usually. Usually do like a little check mark or something. It's not too bad. I usually like to do 3 and then I do 1 on my nose and then I do a little like circle right here. We got it's the M6 foundation brush. It's really good for either low coverage or full coverage. I just spray it with my Urban Decay setting spray just to like make it wet and like you gotta tease it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be blending that into my skin. My mirror is right here, so that's why I'm like looking right here. I'm not ignoring you guys, but yes.
And you guys, don't forget to blend down always into your neck. Okay, we are loving it right now. See, like, it doesn't even look like I'm putting anything on my face.
Hang on. Bear with me, people. Bear with me. We're just a beginner. No professional here. I'll put concealer or anything on just because I gotta embrace my dark circles, like. And now I do not have any setting powder, but this is the setting powder I use. This is Banana Loose Setting Powder from Anastasia. This stuff I really like, but you know, I don't have any more. So it's okay, you guys. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Hoola bronzer. This is actually brand new. It looks so fresh and clean. Then I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones, or like just pretty much giving me a little glow. I don't really know how to contour, but this is my Morphe E4 brush. It's also amazing. I use this for my powder as well. So just the littlest bit of this stuff, because this goes a long ways. And I don't have any cheekbones either, so it's like really hard to like find how to do this. I want it to look too crazy. So yes. After that, this is probably not the best. I like just make sure there's no bronzer on it, just put it on my shirt. And then I'm gonna go in with highlighter. Usually I use the MAC Soft and Gentle, but this is completely empty and hit pan like probably about a year ago, but I've literally been reaching for product. But we're gonna just move on to a different palette that my dog chewed up. Do you see that, you guys? This stuff is super shimmery. I actually really like it. It's also really good if you are looking for one. This is the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Luminous highlighter. This stuff is like super nice. Like, look how, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but like, can you tell? Anyways, like, it's pretty much all sparkles and it's really nice. Finger, I'm just gonna be dipping it in like that. I'm gonna just put it on the bridge of my nose, or not on the bridge, just on like the little tips of my nose right here. Makes your nose like look kind of cute. The Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. This one's really beautiful as well. This one has more darker warm tones in this one, but we're gonna go in with the Rush, the orange shade right here. I love orange on my eyelids. I don't know about you, but if you do not have that, an alternate would be using the Hoola bronzer as your eyeshadow. I always use that and it works perfect.
So, yeah, I'm just gonna do the littlest amount with this brush. I like a bigger brush like this, just so I can like really get in there. So I'm rolling with that, just a little tiny bit, because a little goes a long way, you guys know that. Blow it. And then, actually I have a little bit of creases on my eyes. Okay, so wipe that off. And then,
that's all I do. Actually, this side looks a little bit darker, so perfect. Oh, and then with this one, I'm gonna go on camera right here. I'm gonna just put that one as the base, like just so it has a little bit of shimmer on the base here. I don't really want to do my eyebrows today because I don't really want them to be like outstanding, but I'm just gonna brush them upwards like this and then make sure there's no product in them. I'm gonna go in with my clear brow gel. It's not clear anymore, but it was at one point. And then I'm going to just brush up, making sure that my eyebrows are just looking neat. I have like really full eyebrows. I don't know how I feel about them, but at least I have eyebrows. For my eyelashes, I do have some, I'm not gonna lie, but like, should I? Or is that a bad idea? I don't know, I don't really like them. But also, what else am I gonna do? Maybe I might. I don't know. Actually, I'm gonna wear these ones because I haven't worn them yet, and I might as well, because where else am I gonna wear them? But if I wasn't gonna wear these ones, I was gonna just use like these little individual ones and do that, but you know, I'm feeling a little outgoing, so I might do my makeup better. Eyeliner I use is the Sephora eyeliner like this. This one is like the best. I swear I probably have no product left in this, but we are going to work with what we got. So I suck at eyeliner, so I might just do it off camera, but like I have to be like really close to the mirror while I do this. So uno momento. Okay. I don't really like it, but camera's gonna die, you guys. Okay, so anyways, if my camera dies, I'm super sorry. I'm the worst YouTuber ever, but I'm gonna do this exactly. I'm going to put on my eyelashes, and then after that, I'm gonna spray my face with setting spray, and then I'm gonna be done. So not too shabby. I will post pictures and a video of myself from like my phone or something in this clip after this if my phone or my camera does end up dying. So yes. Okay, you guys, so the finished look is this. I don't really like how oily I am, but if I did have powder, I would definitely use that. But yes, this is my e-girl hair. This is me. And yes, I am ready for my birthday. And I'm just gonna find a cute little outfit. But yeah, this is the completed look using these lashes. And thank you so much for watching. I miss you, and I can't wait to make another video. Bye, guys.